Melissa would need 6 hours to edit the film, and Carlos would only need 4 hours. Great thinking if you found these two answers. We'll start solving this equation by multiplying through by the LCD 2 4/10 times x plus 2, the product of these three denominators. When we multiply through by the LCD, we can simplify each of the terms. The first term reduces to 2 4/10 times x plus 2, the second term reduces to 2 4/10 times x, and the last term simply reduces to x times x plus 2. We distribute 2 4/10 to get these two terms, and we distribute x to get these two terms. Next, we combine 2 4/10 x and 2 4/10 x to get 4 8/10 times x. Now, to clear these decimals, I'm going to go ahead and multiply through by a factor of 10. When we multiply through by 10, we'll get 48x, 48, 10x squared, and 20x. Now we're ready to move these two terms to the right-hand side of our equation so we can get 0 on the left side and a quadratic expression on the right-hand side. Now we're ready to divide this equation by 2, since all of these coefficients are even. When we divide each of these terms by 2, we'll get this new equation. Now we can factor. When we use factoring by grouping, we get the factors 5x plus 6 and x minus 4. We set each factor equal to 0, and then we can solve for the values of x. X can equal positive 4, or x can equal negative 6/5. We know x is the amount of time it takes for Carlos to edit the film, so it would take him 4 hours. We don't use this choice since it's negative. That wouldn't make sense with our concept of time. So since it takes Carlos 4 hours, it must take Melissa 6 hours. We know this is true since x was 4, which is the amount of time it takes Carlos, and Melissa was x plus 2 more hours than Carlos. If you're ever unsure, go back to the original problem. We knew Carlos's time was represented by x, so he would take 4 hours to edit the film. Melissa takes 2 hours longer than Carlos, so that means she needs 6 hours in order to edit the film. I know this one was tough, so great work if you got it right.